Kelly with McCase Heating and Cooling, and I wanted to share with you some facts that the EPA has found about our indoor air levels of pollution. What they actually found was that inside your home could be 2 to 5 times higher pollution levels than the outdoor levels. And what that consists of is dust, which can contain mites, mold, mildew, pollen, and animal dander. All of that stuff is cycled through the central air system, which completely circulates the air in your home 3 to 5 times a day. If you're suffering or anyone in your home is suffering from allergies, the best way to get rid of these contaminants inside your ductwork is to have your ducts professionally cleaned. We use an advanced cleaning method to scrub your duct system clean. Plus, we can sanitize your ducts with an EPA-registered antimicrobial chemical, which leaves the home fresh and clean.